Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to make a dark mode effect in your mobile phone and Google Chrome and as well as in your YouTube. In mobile phone it's very simple, just enter into the settings and display and make a punch of dark mode. Yeah, it seems to be dark. The dark mode effect for the mobile is only for the settings and the notification bar. It's only for the system utility. Then how to make a dark mode in Google Chrome and YouTube. Yeah, it's very simple, just follow the steps. Yeah, in Google Chrome, just enter into the Google Chrome and make the words Chrome slash and flag slash. I make these words in my description. Follow the description and you can enter into the web page. The web page is look like this and make a word DARK dark and enable the dark web page for Android and relaunch your Google application. Then you can use the mode dark mode in your Google Chrome. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, I'm just showing how I make the dark mode. And also to make it default, enter into dark and you can see that the Android web content is in the dark mode. It was enabled. Make it default or disabled. Yeah, it's make default Google Chrome application. And for YouTube, just enter into your YouTube and settings. You may see the general. Just enter into the general and make a punch of dark theme. It seems to be dark. Yeah, that's all about. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech Factory.